Should we have the music in the...
Hey, it's me again, Vince Castelli. I'm with my good friend, Leonardo Capicone.
Every time.
But this time, we do have a special guest.
I'm the tough guy, aka comedian guy, aka Mr. Hide and Seek, aka Marky Mark, aka Don Marchielli, also known as Tough Guy.
I know it's been a little bit since Vince and Leo has been on the screen. We had a little snippet with our buddy Andy from Chicago.
Woo!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Can I get like more butter?
You want one more egg too? You want one more egg, eh? They call me the comedian
Is there
slash aka slash Mr. Eggman.
Okay, stop with the egg. I needed that for another minute.
So this is when we turn the show into a bit of we ran out of butter. We got a weed butter. Update. They call me the comedian slash aka Mr. Hide and Seek, aka Mr. Flower Power Man, aka Cracking Egg Too Soon, aka we're actually not using butter. Forget about it. Aka Marky Mark Tough Guy.
So we got the oven preheat to 350 Fahrenheit. Hey, he cracked the egg too soon.
I said aka, you know who I am. I'm Marky Mark Tough Guy, breaking egg too early guy.
Alright, tough guy. Melt this butter.
Just like chunks of
Hey, tough guy. We need 4 tablespoons of that butter. We about to forget about it.
Want some more butter?
Brandon, are we still rolling?
Yeah.
Hey, this has got a real pungent smell.
That's about half.
Easy.
Hey, let me give those.
We need another dry.
Okay.
We're making logs now.
I'm doubling up on the cocoa powder.
I've beat this egg black and blue. I'm not sure if it's supposed to look like this. That's a biscotti. Alright.
I don't see it. Oh, I see it now. I got it.
Oh, I wanted to put these pecans in. So it's chocolate pecan.
Boom.
And then it's almonds in the other one.
Vince!
Hey,
You a madman.
I'm coming in here beating these nuts. I just can't get enough of these nuts.
Nuts.
Hey, pass that spatula.
Same time.
Rubber.
Hey, pass that rubber thing. Thank you. Now that's the money shot. That's what I'm talking about.
And now?
Forget about it.
I crushed the nuts. Now we're gonna add them in.
Face the camera.
Oh, the money shot.
It's gotta be really dry.
How's that?
Bada bing, bada boom.
Hey, we forgot one crucial thing. The vanilla.
Oh fuck, that a little bit now. I just poured it. Just a little splash. That's good. That was a little bit too much.
Yeah.
You don't measure nothing. Never count.
Hey, I got shaky hands. Can I say?
I need my dry guy here.
What I got?
Dry guy.
We got the scoop.
Yeah, that's good.
We applied Product Man, aka Mr. Breaking Egg Too Soon, Tough Guy, Mr. Don Marchielli.
AKA Flower Boy. I don't know what's going on back there, but I'm playing with this dough.
Don't mind if I do. Welcome back, Cooking with Don Marchielli.
Tough guy.
So, Tough Guy over here watching as the proceeds proceed to be proceeded. But that's how grandma liked it. Okay?
Just goes back many generations. Sheeran, New Jersey.
Without further ado,
Manja.
eat the Scotty.
Dip it in the coffee.
Coffee sponsor of the day, 7-Eleven.
That's what I'm talking about. This is something I ain't gonna be forgetting about soon. And just so you guys don't forget about us, turn on that notification bell. Like, subscribe, comment down below, tell us if we did it wrong.
It's the least you couldn't do.
Alright, thanks folks for watching. See you next time. Thank you. Every single last one of you.